innovative team of the year is Standard Chartered.
I'm with Spencer Maclean, Head of Capital Markets Europe and Americas for Standard Chartered Bank. And Spencer, welcome. Standard Chartered has got the award for the most innovative team, so congratulations on that. And it's actually for a Greater China Debt Capital Markets team. So it's been a very exciting market over the past 12 months, hasn't it? And you've been very active in the panda market. Tell us a little bit about what a panda bond is and what you've been doing there.
Of course, certainly. Well, firstly, thank you very much for the award. Very appreciative of receiving it. So the panda bond market is an international issuer that is looking to access the onshore Chinese investor base.
And what panda bonds have you done? Who have you done them for?
Sure. So Standard Chartered, I'm glad to say, have been involved in a number of panda bonds, starting with Standard Chartered Bank Hong Kong. We've moved on to do some FIG issuance for the likes of National Bank of Canada. We've also done some corporate issuance for Veolia and the SSA issuance for the likes of the Republic of Korea.
Okay, now one of the other interesting things that's happened with China is the IMF has now included the renminbi in its special drawing rights. That's like the IMF's own currency, isn't it? So what sort of impact has that had on the Chinese issuance market?
Well, the issuance market in the SDR-denominated basket of bonds actually first happened back in the 1980s, believe it or not, and it's not until recently when China has been promoting the internationalisation of the RMB. So we've seen two issuances there so far. Standard Chartered Bank Hong Kong again issued there, as well as the World Bank.
Okay. Now the other important part of the Chinese market is actually the domestic market. I think it's one of the biggest in the world. Is that right?
It is, yeah, certainly. So it's the third largest bond market in the world.
And what sort of access does Standard Chartered have to that?
Well, Standard Chartered has a very broad range of licences, so we're able to act in an underwriting and co-manager capacity across sovereigns, supranationals, the FI space, as well as corporates.
Spencer, thank you very much. Have a great evening.
Thank you ever so much.